So 66th question is, which of the following is correct with respect to I? Effect of substituent R is alkali. So we have to tell which of the following is correct with respect to I effect of the substituent. So the option is NH2OR F negative. NH2 is greater than OR and greater than OR is greater than F, and 2R is smaller than OR and OR is smaller than F, and 2R is greater than OR and OR greater than F. So the solution is first, NH2 is smaller than OR and OR is smaller than F. So the if -1 effect increases on increasing electronegativity of atom. So this effect increases on increasing electronegativity of atom. So correct order of I effect is this. Most appropriate answer is option 1. However, option 3 may be correct. May be correct. Thank you.